Step 1. Preparing the prompts. Alright, first things first, prompts. To make this falling from the sky AI video, we're going to use a few different prompts. Don't worry though, you don't need to write them yourself. I've already prepared everything for you on my website. The link is in the video description. Just copy the prompts, totally free. Easy. Step 2. Generating the images. Let's start with image prompt 1. Here's what you need to do. First, fill in a cool and expensive outfit from any luxury brand you like. Then add as many premium accessories as you want. Watches, necklaces, sunglasses, bags, anything. Once that's done, copy the entire image prompt 1. Now open InVideo AI. Link is also in the description. After logging in, go to Agents and Models. Tap See All under Generative Models and choose Image. Select Nano Banana Pro, then create a new project. Upload your photo, paste the prompt, and open Settings. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 1K, and for batch generation, choose 4 images so you have more options. Tap Generate, wait a few seconds, then pick and download the image you like the most. Now let's move on to image prompt 2. Copy image prompt 2 from my website, go back to InVideo, replace the image with the one you just generated, and swap the prompt with image prompt 2. Tap Generate, wait a bit, and once it's done, choose and download the best result. Now step 3, generating the video. The fun part, turning images into video. Copy the video prompt from my website, go back to InVideo, but this time select the video model Kling 2.5 Turbo Pro and open the same project. Upload image 2 as the first frame and image 1 as the last frame. Paste the video prompt, open Settings, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and set the duration to 5 seconds. Tap Generate, wait about 1 to 2 minutes, and boom! Your Falling from the Sky AI video is ready. Now step 4, close-up image and video. Now let's make it even more cinematic with a close-up shot. First, generate the close-up image. In the close-up image prompt, just fill in the object you want to zoom into. For example, shoes, a watch, or sunglasses. Copy the prompt, go back to Nano Banana Pro, upload the first generated image, paste the prompt, and tap Generate. Choose the best close-up image and download it. Next, the close-up video. From the close-up video prompt on my website, fill in the same object you used before. Go back to Kling Video Generator, upload the close-up image, paste the close-up video prompt, then click Generate. Wait 1 to 2 minutes and you're done. Now all you need to do is repeat this process for other objects, combine all the videos using any video editing app, and that's it. Your own AI falling from the sky video is ready to go viral.